Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Google Sheet tutorial how to wrap text. So as example, I will type text in here like this. And if you want to wrap this text, you can select the text and then click at this icon, click on drop down menu, and then you can see this is for the wrap tools. You can click, the text will be automatically wrapping. So you can change again into another, like in here, you can use the overflow or you can use clip tools. So for wrap, you can click at this icon. Okay, that's it for a basic Google Sheet tutorial how to wrap text. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.